Hi, I'm Danny DeLaviaga.
And I'm Daniel Price, and we're the founders and managers of Ioterra, which is an ecosystem that supports innovation in domestic manufacturing and frontier technologies.
We got started in product development in the IoT Internet of Things space with a consultancy called Breadware that was eventually acquired by an OEM called Stone Age. Throughout this process, we helped over 70 companies build their products and get them to market.
But it's so difficult for the small businesses that have these new concepts to go from a prototype to a proof of concept to MVP to a real life product.
And so we built an ecosystem that's comprised of 3 different main elements. We have software tools that help with estimations about projects. We have bid gathering tools that can help get competitive bids from different service providers in the ecosystem. And then we also have a forum-based tools that are meant to help with communication and help people find information that they need at the right time.
In addition to the resources, we believe that knowledge and education is so important in this space. So we host events and conferences. There's over 300 reference projects in the Ioterra ecosystem. There's over 150 vendors that provide services in manufacturing, and they're easily accessible to the consumers that are building products in this space.
We are really passionate about this problem, and we want to be a part of continuing to do this and helping these companies get funded. And so thank you for your consideration of our application for the SBA Growth Accelerator.